Okay, so our iRobot should be all charged up. And we bought it because we have dogs, and they leave these little dog hair poof floofs floating around the house all the time. It's very annoying. So we're hoping the iRobot can pick them up. So let's give it a shot. The directions say all I have to do is press clean twice, and the magic begins. So here we go. Oh, there it goes. I should get out of the way. Oh, off it goes. Look at that. Uh-oh. Goliath, leave it. Goliath. Leave it. Oh, this could be a problem. No. Goliath, no. Go lay down. No. Hey, no. Hey. Goliath. No. No. Goliath, stop. Stop. It's okay. Here, get your toy. Get your Goliath, get your toy. No, Goliath, what are you doing? No. Goliath. No. Goliath, hey. No. Stop. No. Well, this is not going to work out at all. All right. I guess we're done.